The GPS tracks the position of the GPR. The grid guides you step by step, showing you where you are and where to go next. Walk until the GPR beeps, then start again at the next position shown. If you don't want to follow a grid, scan the area and the GPS keeps track of where you're at. This is an example of some of the controls on the GPR. The zoom controls the range of the depth up to 24 feet. The color selects up to 9 different colors, so it makes it easier to see. And you can choose your own for personal preference. The filters removes horizontal bands that normally show up across the top. The gain has 9 different levels that brings the display with more intensity or less. Typically, gain level 3 works the best. There's also a setting to show small, medium, large, or all images. You can calibrate for different soil conductivity by matching the shape on the line with the shape on the image. The view on the left shows a cross-section or slice. The view on the right shows the combined scans for each selected depth from above. This example shows 4.2 to 4.5 foot depth. This example shows the map, cross-section, and plan view depth. You can adjust or calibrate the width of the line to match the shape of the image to calibrate for soil conductivity. Touch the screen to place the horizontal line at the top of the image. Depth and position are displayed. Each image can be marked with the standard utility colors using the color touchscreen. This is an example of the software dashboard display. It is possible with the software to view the saved scans afterwards and still change depth, color, sensitivity, etc. afterwards. The video for this one is shown afterwards at the end. This is an example of the striker attached to a meter box. It's one of the most common places to attach it. The Severn striker, or knocker, attaches around the pipe with a chain, and then you tighten it with the knob. You can control the tapping intensity and how often it taps. No water flow is needed. You can use it on other types of pipes as well, like gas pipes. It works on all pipe materials. Installation is quick and simple. It uses the same controller as the Severn stopper. Maximum distance on plastic is 50 to 100 feet, depending on the depth, pipe material, pipe size, and soil hardness. Water pulse generators are valves that open and close, creating controlled water hammer pulses in water lines. The pulse creates a pulsing sound in the pipe which can be tracked to locate the pipe. Tracking a water pulse is like pinpointing a water leak. It's easier to find the center of a radio locator signal than a sound, but since plastic doesn't work with electrical signals, sound could be the best choice. The stopper can be connected to hydrants or other locations on the water system, such as meters or hose bibs. By comparing the pulse sound across the pipe at each location, water pipe of all materials can be located. The pulse intensity can be adjusted so it can be used on a wide range of pipes and conditions. In best condition, the stopper can be located up to 5 blocks from the beginning. The distance depends on the pressure, depth, pipe size, and soil. The radio detection electronic transom locates all pipe materials with clean water flow. It's simple. Just connect to a hydrant, hose bib, or meter box and turn it on. Follow it with the listening device. Pipes can remain in service. 30 to 115 psi range. It has gentle, safe pulses. It's powered by 8 D cells, an external power vehicle cable, or rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack. The range is typically 100 to 200 feet with 3-foot deep pipes. This is a water pulse generator from FAST, the PWG2. It has 2 different water pulse intensities for 2 different sizes of pipes. The PWG locates all pipe materials including PVC, poly, copper, galvanized, and PEX. When locating water pulses, there's no interference when locating nearby utilities. The RD500 comes in 3 different pulse intensities. Choose the red for water mains, 2 inches and larger, the medium for water meter size pipes, or the green for irrigation and small pipes. The RD500 creates about a 5 psi water pulse when connected to the proper water pipe size. The range in pressure is 30 to 75 psi. Distance range is typically 200 to 400 feet. It uses about 1 to 2 GPM when pulsing. Flush the line first until clear to make sure the water that's going through the transom is clean. It's not recommended for substandard water systems. If used near a house, use a hose in between the transom and the water system to reduce the pulse intensity. Listening devices can be used to track the pulses. Some leak detectors display the minimum sound level at each listening point. Leak detectors designed to track plastic pipe display the maximum at each point. The Severn AC200, A200, A150, A100, and A50 are designed to track water pipes acoustically by displaying the maximum levels. Precise background noise filters make it easier to track the pipe by blocking other noises. Extreme volume protection prevents hearing damage from unexpected extreme sounds. The UltraTrack APL works like a water depth finder or fish finder. Sound pulses are transmitted into the depths of the unknown. Then the echoes are received and displayed based on the time delays. The Ultracheck APL, acoustic pipe locator, is a ground sonar for finding buried pipes and other objects. Step on the base, press the button, and the transmitter sends sound pulses into the ground. Then the receiver in the back senses the reflected sound waves. Setup is easy. Simply choose same as last time scan, or choose the surface, depth range, direction of scan, and spacing interval. The display on an APL is a field durable tablet. The power and scan buttons are below the screen. A color map shows the intensity of the sound signals reflected back to the acoustic pipe locator. Mark the location of each object found. Pipes align in a straight line. Other objects are random. Plastic pipe displays medium intensity scans. Rocks and other more solid objects display as more intense color on the map. Depth is indirectly measured by checking the time versus soil type chart. Since the APL uses sound instead of high-frequency radio signals, it works in clay and other soils where GPR does not. Sometimes no nearby connection is available to connect to a water pulse generator or striker. The APL does not connect to the pipe. Mark the location of each object. Pipes align and other objects are random. Pipe location depths. With the APL, you can find half-inch pipes at 12 to 30 inch, 2-inch pipes at 12 to 48 inch, and 4-inch pipes at 12 to 96 inch. Larger pipes can be found even deeper. Plastic pipes can also be located by inserting a locatable rotor into the pipe. They are available in many sizes, different diameters, and a wide range of lengths. A locatable rotor is a fiberglass rod with a copper wire in the center and a protective jacket on the outside. It locates the same as having a tracer wire inside the pipe. An important limitation with locatable rotors is it does not push around 90-degree bends. Some locatable rotors are available with a stuffing box, which allows location with the live lines. They locate like having a tracer wire inside the pipe. Non-metallic water mains can be located up to 1,000 feet in each direction from a single location while in service. Some push cameras can also be inserted for inspection and locating. The FlexiTrace. Connect a radio frequency locator to both terminals to apply a signal to the sonde at the end, or connect a single terminal and to a ground stake and locate the length of the rod. Stronger signals are available since transmitters have higher output than sondes. The FlexiSonde is available in 164 and 262 foot length. Sondes are battery-powered, self-contained transmitters. They can be the most accurate way to locate conduit, storm, and sewer drains. Cast iron blocks most of the signal from sondes. If you're locating cast iron, connect the transmitter to the cast iron or ductile iron pipe. The super sonde is the best choice for locating deep sewer and storm drains. Some users have reported locating the super sonde at 90 feet deep. It uses 133 kilohertz sonde mode. It's 2.5 inches in diameter and 12.5 inches long. The sewer sonde is a common way to locate sewer mains. It uses 33 kilohertz sonde mode. It's 6.6 inches long by 2.5 inches in diameter and can be located to 26 feet deep. The standard sonde is the lowest cost and fits in laterals and sewer mains and uses a standard battery. It's available in 512, 8 kilohertz, and 33 kilohertz. It can be located up to 16 feet deep. The bendy sonde is the best choice to locate deeper in sewer laterals. It has 3 spring sections to allow it to go around small pipe bends. It's available in 512, 8 kilohertz, and 33 kilohertz, and it can locate up to 20 feet deep. It's 0.9 inches in diameter by 18.75 inches long. A sonde creates a strong peak directly above the sonde when horizontal that's 5 times stronger than the other peaks. Find at least 2 peaks to confirm which peak is the center. In peak and null mode, the left and right arrows will indicate the center peak. If you're finding one of the outer peaks, there'll be a single arrow pointing away from the center. Confirm that the receiver is in sonde mode so that it works much better. Mini push cameras include a sonde to locate, plus you can inspect the pipe also. The ferret is placed inside the pipe and pumped through the pipe until it reaches the leak. It has an integrated sonde built into it that can be used to locate the pipe and the leak. It only works on pipes without tight bends. The pipe mic inserts into live water lines to listen for water leaks from inside the pipe. Locate with built-in sonde to find the pipe and the leak. It's limited to pipes without 90-degree bends. If you have electronic markers above your pipe, it's easy to find. Just flip down the antenna and search for the strongest signal. If the water line is marked, it's easier to find for the next locate. Plastic pipes take longer to locate than tracer wires or metal pipes, so you can save more time by marking them after they're located. Also, there are continuous warning that the water line is underground. Surface markers for soil, concrete, curbs, streets make it easy to locate and warn of buried pipes. After locating, if your pipes are accurately mapped, you can save a lot of time in the future. Accurate digital maps are great for planning also. This is a summary of some of the things we've discussed. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you. Thank you.